morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So students, we are doing chapter number 3, subtraction, and exercise 3.5 we are going to start. So today's topic is adding and subtracting together. Okay, this exercise is based on the topic adding and subtracting together. So from the name only it is clear that we have to do firstly addition, okay, then subtraction. Okay, suppose I am taking firstly I am telling you I am taking single digit. Okay, suppose there are three numbers like 9 plus 5 minus 7. Okay, so firstly we have to do addition. So 9 plus 5, that is 14, and then minus 7, so it is 7 only. Okay, same way we will proceed for 2 digit, for 3 digit. Okay, so firstly let us do this part A. This is little bit different. Okay, so need to listen very carefully how we are doing. Okay, here some numbers are given to you. Okay, and total is also given to you. Somewhere total is given, somewhere numbers are given, so you have to find the rest of number. Like fill ups are given to you, so you have to fill the correct number on that. Okay, with adding and subtracting. So let us do this A part. Akbar had many elephants, cow, rabbits and goats. He gave them all away to Birbal, Tansen and Jahangir. All these Akbar gave them to Birbal, Tansen and Jahangir. Add and subtract to fill in the blanks in the table. So this is the table. See here. See, this is the table. Okay, elephant, cow, rabbit, goat, and this is there is total. Here Birbal, Tansen, Jahangir. We have written names, and here down one is total. So how we will solve this? See here, elephant, number of elephants. Okay, Birbal is having elephants 200. Tansen we have to find. So we will solve like this way. Okay, firstly all four elephants, then cow, then rabbit, then goat. Okay, now firstly we will solve for elephants. So Birbal is having 200. Tansen we have to find out. Jahangir is 117. Okay, and down one is total. So see student, total is given and here 200, 117. Tansen one we have to find out. So how we can find out? Firstly, when we will add this and this. Okay, we have to do addition of these two. Okay, what answer we will get, then we will subtract from this bigger number. So see now, first one part you will see here, 200 plus blank. See, 200 plus blank plus 117 is equal to, these all three will be equal to 477. So we do know the Tansen one, this we have to find out. Okay, so what we have to do, what we are doing here, this is 200 and this is 117. Okay, take these and start adding. So when you will do addition, it will be 370. Okay, now you got 370 after adding these two, but we have to find this middle one. Okay, Jahangir one. So what we will do, we got one number. After adding, now we have to subtract. So with which number, from which number? From total. Okay, from total. So total is 477. Okay, and here it is 370. So 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 1 6, 4 minus 3 is 1. So answer is 160. Okay, means Jahangir is having number of elephants that are 160. Second now see, come to up again. This is second for cow. Okay, Birbal is having 348, Tansen is having 412, Jahangir is having 235. So total number of cows, when we will do total, it's very simple. Total means direct addition we will do. Okay, because we have to find total only in here and at the last. We have to find total. So we will do this fast. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 5 down, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8 and 1 carry was there, so it is 9, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, third one we will do for rabbit. Birbal we don't know number of rabbits Birbal is having, that we have to find out, Tansen we are having. Okay, Tansen we know 161, Jahangir we know 310. So firstly add these two. Firstly you have to add these two, and what answer you will get, that you will subtract from this 543. Got it? So let us start now. See, third one it is here. Okay, so 161 plus 310, that is 471, and you have to subtract from 543. So 3 minus 1 2, 14 minus 7 is 7, and here left with 4. Okay, left with 4, so 4 minus 4 is 0. Clear, students? Okay, next one, see next one, fourth one. It's for goat. Birbal is having 126, Tansen is having 279, and total is given 742. So this you have to find out Jahangir 1. So how? Same way, students. Firstly do these two addition. Okay, what answer will come? That you will subtract from total. Okay, see now fourth one we are taking here. Step 1, add these two we have to add. 9 plus 5, that is, sorry, 6 plus 9, that is 15. Yeah, 2 plus 7, 9 plus 1, 10, 0. Yeah, 1 carry over, and here 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, so 405, and total was 742. So take here and you have to subtract 405. So 12 minus 5 is 7, 3 minus 0 is 3, and 3 here left with 7 only, so 7 minus 4 is 3, so 337. Clear, students? Fifth one, again I told you have to take normal total. Okay, so total is 9 plus 6, 15 plus 2, 17, 7 down, 1 will be carry over, 9 plus 1, 10, 11 plus 4, 15, 5 down, 1 carry over, 7 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 9, oh sorry, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 1 carry, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2757 will be total. Okay, students? So like this we will solve this A part. I hope it is clear. Now students, start with the part B. Okay, here you will find the best examples of adding and subtracting together. First add, then subtract. Okay, in first step what we are doing? Firstly we are adding. Okay, what answer we are getting? Then we are subtracting third number from it. So listen very carefully. Okay, this you have to understand very carefully. See, first question is first add, then subtract. So question is, now question C, 214 plus 313 minus 138. So you can see first add means you have to add which numbers are given firstly. Like this and this with addition, in between plus sign is there, so means this and this are of positive number these are. So we have to add these both firstly. So do it 4 plus 3, write 214 plus 313. So 4 plus 3, 7, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. 527. Now which answer you got here now? That you will use in step 2. This is your step 2. 527 minus this number, minus 138. So 7 minus 8 we cannot do, so make it 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Okay, left with 1. So again 1 minus 3 we cannot do, again we will take borrow from this 5, so it left with 4, and here it will be 11. So 11 minus 3 is 9, 10, 11, like 8. Okay, so 4 minus 1 is 3. So your answer will be here 389. Clear, student? Means 3 numbers are given to you. First 2 numbers you have to add because in between plus sign is there. And what answer you will get? Then you will take that up, and third number you will subtract from that. Okay. So here now second one is 289 plus 725. 9 plus 5, 14. Firstly do addition. 9 plus 5, 14. 4 down, 1 will be carry. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. And here 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 8. Okay. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So it's 1040. So this number we will write here, and third number is this we will subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 6 we cannot do, so make it 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Okay, and here left with 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So answer is 850. Clear students? See, 9 plus 5 14. 4 down 1 will be carry, 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10. And here minus 164 you have to do. So 4 minus 4 0. 1 minus 6 we cannot do, make it 11. 11 minus 6 5. Left with 9. Okay. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Next one is 678 plus 142. Keep on adding, plus 2. Okay, first 2. These 2 we will add. 8 plus 2 10, 0 down 1 will be carry, 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. So 820 is your this one, first one step. This answer you will take here, 820 up, then minus, okay, minus sign will come, minus 440. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 1 minus 1 0, and 8 minus 4 is 4. Clear? Next is also same, 725 plus 164. 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 1 8. 889 you will take here, 689 you will subtract, that is 200 your answer. Okay, fifth now, see fifth one, 946 plus 257. So 6 plus 7 is 13, 1 carry, 4 plus 5 9 plus 1 10, 0 down 1 carry, 9 plus 10 and 2 is 12. So here you will take this number, okay, 1203 minus 134. So 13 minus 4 will be 9. Okay, here it was 0. Okay, when we have taken borrow it was 10. Okay, we have taken borrow from this, so it became 10. Now 10 has given 1 borrow to 3, it is 13. Now left with here 9. 9 minus 3 is 6, and here this left with 1. So 1 minus 1 is left with 1, this is 1. Okay, left with 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, and here 1. Clear students? Now next one is like this. Now it's 4 digit, 2855 plus, yeah, this I need to explain you. Okay, 2855 plus here 3 digit numbers are here, so 3 digit you will write here, 1 1 1 like this. Okay, keep on adding, you will get 2966, use here. Okay, now minus this number. So 6 minus 3 is 3, 16 minus 7, 3 left here and 6 here, so 9. Left with 8 minus 7 1 and 2, so 2193. Okay students, rest of the parts are also same way 3786 plus 184. 6 plus 4 10. See students, don't get confused, some are doing here subtraction and some are doing here addition. So here firstly we have to do addition one part. Okay, adding. So 6 plus 4 10, 0 down 1 carry, 8 8 16 plus 1 17, 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9, 3970. Okay, and here left with 697. So 10 minus 7 is 3, 6 minus 9 we cannot do, so make it 16. Okay, and left with 8, 8 minus 6 2, and left with 3 here, same way, 3273. Okay, so last parts are also same way, you have to solve. Okay, I hope it is clear students, you have to do practice yourself. Okay, all parts we have done with the same method, you will try, keep on trying, then this is new concept, but when you will do practice it will be definitely clear to you. Okay, I hope you all will do practice at home for the same. God bless you, have a good day to all.